is how you start an episode, right? Yeah? Yeah? Oh dear. I've got an overflow of eggs. So, die, my feathery fiends. Since I can't bring it to my own heart to, just leave them there, I have to deal with them. I've also got one down here. They're connected. I love. Oh, hello. Welcome to the Alvega server. I thought I'd spice up the intro again. It's always a little bit of fun. I've got 100 subscribers now. Yay! Okay, now time to work on the sheep farm. Okay, I've sort of done that over there, but now I want to dye these sheep. So let's put everything we've got in here. I'm gonna I think I'll start with 2 of each kind and then lots of white. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, I've got those. I also want to breed them as I go. So how am I going to do this? Let's maybe start at a corner. You and you and you and you can breed. And then you and you and you and you can breed. And we should have babies of the same colour. Yes. So now you can breed together. Brilliant. And then you guys. I'm going to try to keep the same amount of each sheep. Apart from maybe white. Got a baby. And maybe you and you. Cool, and you, since you guys already look like you're good friends. I'm definitely gonna need more of these. You guys, come here. Have babies. And then you and you. Come on, there we go. The reason I stuck with 2 was because of that, I don't have much ink sacs. Yeah, no, I don't. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Yeah, I'm definitely going to need more than 2 of each kind. Okay. You guys. Nope, come here. There we go. Got some breeding of them. And you. And you lime guys can breed. Did I get the right one? Think so. Yes. They're nose kissing. I want them to be proportional. But that's still an absurdly large amount of white. So maybe... Well, let's grab another one of each, so we've still got 1 dye left, I think. Maybe a few reds. I don't know, I need more dyes. How do I want to do this? Gravel. Why would anyone need gravel? Because I'm definitely not going to need absurd amount of light grey, etc. So maybe I'll just add these to them without breeding, and then maybe I can do a bit more breeding and we can get some cross breeding. That's still quite a large amount of whites. Oh, screw it. Let's add a whole bunch of yellows and a whole bunch of reds. And I've definitely got plenty of blues too. And you can always re-dye them after. That's another good thing. Cows don't like me munching on their friends. Red, 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 yellow, 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 red, yellow, yellow. Oh, that's alright. Let's see what we've got now. Oh. Still a lot of whites, but no, that'll do. Brilliant. Okay, now let's put that back and let the shearing happening. Add away my newly cooked steaks. Ah, I have so many steaks. Now time to go and get some shearing happening. No records in there. I've moved records over 2 chests now, and I think that's all of them. I know there's the 11 that you can't get from creepers, and there's 1 record that isn't actually in the game. Leather. Cool. So now we head downstairs even more. We grab some shears, and we see, this is also how I get some more black dye. Don't have my sword on me. Ah. Oh wow. Well, 3 there. That's good. I'm gonna use them straight away, actually. And now we can go shearing all the sheep. Doodle-loon, doodle-loon, doodle-loon. I might not be picking it up, but as I go around, I'll collect it even more. Goodbye, Mr. Squiddy, Squid, McSquid, Squid. Gah. Are you still alive? Oh, there we go, dead now. And yes, I did grab a speed potion before I hopped in here. I'm not actually, I don't actually, I don't actually need all these colours, but you know. And also, I'm not sure what I'll do donation-wise, because the server never was really around long enough for me to work on that, wool monument idea. So, you never know, and I can probably use these for pranking. I've actually started preparation for a prank for when the server goes back up fully. I've started collecting resources in a hidden chest. So no, oh, it's not actually hidden, it's just you guys don't know where it is. But yeah, that's a lot of red wool. I don't really need all that red and yellow wool. Let's just add a few more black ones, because black ones I feel will be quite important. And I'll keep that dye, or that ink sac. Nyon, nyon. Nyon. What else have I got planned for this episode? I haven't thought that far ahead. All I knew is that I wanted to get these sheep done. Nyon. Oh, but yes. Oh. The 404 map. That's good. Everyone's liking that. I'm happy about that. Me and Nox have been taking it on. Spent a lot of time editing on all those death counters. It's a bit of hard work, but we certainly get there. Look at all these. Look at them all. I think I might actually go back up and get my looting sword, and then we can get lots more ink sacs out of them. Yes, let's go up and get a looting sword. I'll put the ink sac away. Oh no, I won't. I'll move that out of the way and get my looting sword from in my temporary inventory chest, which is here. Looting sword and sharpness. Take the quick route, so I can just skip 2 floors. I might go even further once I've got extra layers beneath, which I'm thinking I might do a reed farm on the layer beneath now. Ooh, that's a lot of ink sacs there. See, it's good when it's actually a farm for multiple things, like a bit like those ink sacs there. It's always convenient. Yeah, I think I'll just go until I run out of what's not pickaxe, it's a shears. One thing you might not know, I can walk through here. In the one of the weekly snapshots turned off animal clipping, so I can push them around like this. But I can just sprint through them with ease, and it's, at first it seems like a bad thing, but now I'm liking it. I really am. As in, it's intended to reduce animals breaking out of pens, I'm pretty sure. But fix this. Grey sheep, white sheep. Fix it. Black sheep suddenly has a white head. It's not how sheep work. Actually, it might be. But they don't regrow wool if you've dyed their wool. They don't regrow up the same colour. I don't think, at least. No. Unless you injected them with the dye at birth or something, like how you can inject chickens. Oop, and there that goes. Just collect up the last blobs of wool. Yep, and here we go. Oop, there's some more in there. I could do a mechanism. I might actually have do some redstone mechanism that sort of pushes them all in one place. Like, come in from the corners and push them nearby. I'm probably too lazy to do that. Okay, let's see what we've got now. Ink sacs, lots of those. The white wool, I've actually got a white wool chest over here, but I'm thinking I'll break, because it's one layer there, one layer there, one layer there. I think I might sort of spread them out. I've got red, that's, oh, I was about to say, what? How do we get so little red wool? But no. Orange, more white, blue, light blue, cyan wool, which are around the wrong way, light grey, dark grey, black. You can have any colour you want as long as it's black, said the old Mr. Ford. Oh, I forgot the brown wool as well. There we go. First steps of wool gathering completed. Alright, I've reorganised this. I'm going to have 2 layers of whites. Actually, let's put you down there. Whoops. There we go. So 2 layers of whites and getting darker. Then that's got that, and that's got that. I think I'll maybe... Do I have a sign on me? No, I'll go and make myself a sign. And in that sign, I think I'll put it next to a chest, and in that chest, I think I will put the excess things, like I'm holding all this dandelion yellow. I don't need all of it, so I think I'll sort of stick it in a excess chest, so to speak. Where are we? Do I have any signs pre-made? I don't think so. No. Just get it back out of there. No, I don't. So I can just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do I have any sticks? No. Make sticks. And then I think I can make nice 2 signs. I don't need 2, but might as well. I can't sign. I'm trying to do things in halves. There. Inventory. Ugh. There we go. There's a sign. So I think I might have. That's got the wool for breeding. Got shears. I might go and make a whole bunch of shears. So maybe down here I'll put on the right I will go, oh nope, excess wool, excess dye. There we go. My excess dye can go in there. Most of them have already regrown it again, oh dear. Let's make some more shears, I think. Nina. See, they just pop out those chickens so fast. Yeah, I hate using all those iron blocks. Ugh. There we go, 6 lots of shears. That should last us for a while. But that's gonna end my nice sheep shearing episode. There we go. Hope you've enjoyed all the barring in the background and all the pattering of footsteps. Oh, it drives me mad.